Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Quadratic Equations. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is find the value of k for which the following equation have real and equal roots. Guys, be very mindful. The question is telling that the given equation is having real and equal roots. Real and equal roots. We'll come to that point later on. And the given equation is x to the power 2 minus 2 into k plus 1 x plus k to the power 2 is equal to 0. So guys, this question is very easy, super easy. Let me note down this question so that it will be very clear, and let's note down and start solving this equation. So the given question here is like x to the power 2 minus 2 k plus 1 x into x plus k to the power 2 is equal to 0. Now guys, as I told you to remember one thing from the question was initially telling that or saying us that this particular equation is having real and equal roots. So guys, we very well know that a quadratic equation will have real roots when the determinant is equal to 0. So I can write here the determinant is equal to 0 because the question is telling us that this equation is having real roots, is having equal roots. So I can write the determinant as 0. And guys, we very well know that determinant is represented by b square minus 4ac. That means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now let us find out the value of a, b, c from the above quadratic equation, and then we can try to solve b square minus 4ac. So from the above equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 k plus 1, and c is equal to k to the power 2. Or in other words, I can write a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2k minus 2, and c is equal to k square. Just I took another step to multiply this minus 2 k into k plus 1. Now let us put these values in the formula like b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, or I can write b square is nothing but minus 2k minus 2 whole square minus 4ac. Here a is 1 and the value of c is k square, that is equal to 0. Guys, just I'm going to solve one equation. So let's see what the ultimate result we are getting after solving this equation. Or I can write this one is like a minus b whole square. Let us consider this part as a and this one as b. So a minus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square minus 2ab. So that's what I'm going to do. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a is 2k and b is 2 minus 4k square. Guys, don't get confused why I took minus 2k, because here a is minus 2k, that is what is being given, and b is 2. Because as per the a minus b whole square, we know that a square plus b square minus 2ab, irrespective of the negative sign of the b. Or minus 2k whole square is 4k square plus 4 minus 2 and minus 2k will become plus. So 2 to the 4 to the 8. 8k minus 4k square is equal to 0. Or you could see that we have 4k square positive and minus 4k square negative. So we can eliminate these two. And we are left with 4 plus 8k is equal to 0. Or I can write 8k is equal to minus 4. Or I can write k is equal to minus 4 upon 8. Or I can write in the next step is k is equal to, or k is equal to minus 2 to the 4, or I can directly take 4 1s the 4, 4 to the 8, minus 1 by 2. So this is the value of k, guys. So this is what being asked in the question, and we are able to find the value of k as k is equal to 1 by 2. Guys, Hope guys you understood this calculation or this process. This is very simple and very straightforward. Just we need to move ahead and we need to find out the value of k. But guys, if you still have any issues or any problem or any concerns, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.